Hi, I'm JP. I'm part of the team here at Sporo Health, and I'm joined today by...
Kimon Vogt. I'm the CEO here at Sporo Health.
Today, we want to talk about one of the big problems that we've been seeing in our over 3 years working with physicians, that being the manual data entry that they have to go through between their athenahealth scheduling and Google Calendar.
Yeah, we have seen physicians that had to cancel movies and theaters with their family just to have a double booked appointment with their patients.
Yeah. And the other option for them, right, would be to cancel a patient, which would cost them from $200 to $400 per patient, right? Which is a tremendous financial cost to them.
So for so many years, while we were working with physicians, they was always telling us how much labor intensive it is to call their front desk or themselves going and logging in, calling the patient and trying to figure out how to modify an already booked appointment and still try not to frustrate the patient.
Yeah. It's an extreme psychological cost to the physician. It costs them, time. It costs them energy, and that's why at Sporo Health for the last 6 months, in conjunction with a clinic out of California, we've been developing a bidirectional calendar sync between athenahealth scheduling and Google Calendar.
Yeah, and we're super excited to show you this new feature. So let's dive right into it.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, great. So for most of you, you're familiar with what we have on the left and the right side here. We have the Google Calendar, specifically on June 1st. And then on the other side, we have the athenahealth calendar. So now JP will run us through how those two automatically sync or connect with each other.
Yeah. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go over the first part of our core functionality, which is creating appointments. So as you can see here, I'm going to create an appointment in Google Calendar. I'm going to name it something like test appointment. I'm going to give it a location, let's say Austin, Texas, and we're going to save that.
And this is all it takes.
That's all it takes. It's exactly the same thing that you do on a daily basis already.
Within a few seconds, it will be showing on athenahealth. Think of that as going to the movies with your family or taking the dog for a walk.
Or saving a couple $100 2 or 3 times a week. Okay, and if we go to that date on athenahealth, as you can see, it's already blocked out. That means no having to call your staff, no needing to tell your wife that you can't make that time.
And less time-consuming labor for everybody in the clinic.
Yeah, exactly. And the best part about this, Kimon, and you hit it on it earlier, is that there's no learning curve here. It works exactly the same in your workflow.
Exactly. We haven't seen so many physicians being so satisfied with that. Every software nowadays in the medical space have a huge learning curve. And that's why physicians and clinicians in general don't really want to change from their electronic healthcare records, even if they don't really like them anymore. It's because they don't want to learn another software. So we decided to have it 100% automated for them. They have to learn 0 things. It's just their calendars are synced and they don't have to do anything anymore, neither the front desk, neither anybody. It just happens automatically.
Yeah, just plug and play. You turn it on and it works. And guess what? If you don't like the time that you scheduled, there's a quick and easy fix for it. And that's the second part of our core functionality is rescheduling. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this little appointment and it's going to be exactly the same as you use Google Calendar currently. I'm just going to click it and drag it down. And immediately what the algorithm will do is it'll start to resynchronize your calendar and make the slots that weren't available and freeze other ones if that's what you want.
Yeah, this is great. And you can do that even from your mobile phone. It doesn't even have to be on the computer. You can open up your mobile phone, go to the app, change the update or create appointments from your personal Google Calendar. It syncs directly to Athena in a few seconds.
Yeah, and then as you can see, because we rescheduled it on Google Calendar, it is now rescheduling in athenahealth. And those slots that maybe you had something at a certain time and somebody changed it over, that's no problem. You just reschedule it on Google Calendar. And now your athenahealth is opened up for those time slots for patients.
Yeah, it's great that it opens up back the available spots if you schedule. This is such a time-consuming task for everybody in the clinic.
The next thing we're going to do is we're going to book a patient in Athena to show you how it reflects on Google Calendar. Because like we said before, this isn't a one-way tool. It works the other way as well. Now, as you can see, I'm just going to hit the book appointment button. We're going to go WISA. We're going to choose any one of these. This is just dummy data. Let's go Anika WISA review. Now, as you can see, she is booked for 11:45 on Monday, June the 1st with Dr. Nadelman.
Look,
There you go. Your patient that just booked on athenahealth is now your Google Calendar, and you can track it very easily next to, your personal responsibilities.
No more double booking. No more like, I don't know, I have to check my Athena Health and I have to log in and I have to check my Google Calendar and try to like have them side by side on my phone. Like you have everything on your phone. You can be anywhere in the world you want, and you can instantly know when you are available and when you are not available.
And if you're having an extremely busy day and one of your patients canceled last minute and you're looking to squeeze in, 15 minutes somewhere for maybe a bite to eat, it'll show up on your Google Calendar so you can decide what time is best for you at a moment's notice.
You can imagine how many people have consultations of 10, 15, 20 minutes in bigger networks, and they have so many new people coming in that their plans are changing, and they have to delete these slots, and they have vendors that are coming to help them edit and put all this information into Athena, and then the clinicians have to manually go and put that in their personal calendar. And if any change happens, all this have to happen again and again and again. It's a nightmare.
Yeah, it's a huge headache for the physician, for the staff, for the extra hands they have to bring in. And it doesn't need to be there, right? This works quietly in the background and it'll save you hours of your day and it'll put money back into your pocket. And if your patient cancels or one of your personal events, ends up not happening, then you can go ahead and delete this and it'll delete on Athena Calendar. And you can go ahead and cancel a patient on Athena Calendar. It'll go ahead and cancel in Google Calendar as well.
And the great thing about this is that you don't have to wait for one appointment to be done to try the second one. You can do everything at the same time, and we will be able to support all changes at the same time. And you can be ensured that the changes will be synced. So if this is something you like to experience, reach out to us. We're a small team and we already have a lot of people in the wait list, but we would love to help you out.
Yeah, and you can go ahead and find some time to speak with us by either clicking the booking link below or going to our website at info.sporo.health.
And request a demo.
Yeah, request a demo today. Thank you so much. I'm JP.
And I'm Kimon.
Thank you so much for watching.